When there?
Me no know how him to it live.
Eh?
Me no know why not. Over there, the man give us 7 bills for lunch. Who you see I take up 7 bills and give people for lunch?
Let me ask you something in your life. See? You hear me? You don't hear me? Lava do chat and laugh. He say April of 1 year. Me you know Lava before you have chat and laugh, right? Right? Never see Lava with a woman yet. He fly come along here there. He hype up himself. But if more one more buckle of NSC, kind pocket full of money. When him a walk go bathroom, me have 2 dogs I walk with him. I say, look for my little son. But hold on there. If Lava I make all his money and he say we are make money and we are toilet inside bathroom. You think Lava will implant some ear in head me go long blood clot and stop bleaching blood clot head miggle. Lava head miggle for your blood clot 35-year-old man. Your head miggle gone. And that's your bad man me and done for because we have a head miggle. Lava you fuck anything. Lava me see Amari long out her tongue on the live and you say yes Amari, yes Amari. Lava is a dirty man. You well want fuck Rika that even a look for you must say spook for you. But me feel like you give Rika money. You understand me I say to you Lava? You's a dirty man who well want some pussy. Last time me see you drink your blend up, you go back your face. Brother, you kill your hood or you kill yourself. You can't drink so much blend up and now get no pussy. You can't convince me say you will get pussy. Every minute with the little polo cup in front of the camera, yeah.
Yeah.
And the pure. Drinking blood clot, blend up your back face. You know how long you take to come when you drink blend up and you try back your face.
Hey, you look like Rika help you by night time.
Hold on. Hear me I say pretty down. You know how long it take when you drink blend up and the back your face. The youth are determined. But here what go on now.
Yeah.
And get up at night time. And put on in hat. You notice? You ever see Lava without hat yet?
No. And that's why I have all the time now. It's
That
shut and laugh time. Shut and laugh hot.
Listen, normally people head ball for yasso to yasso. Lava head ball for yasso to yasso.
Yeah. Hey, Lava, row again. Try it.
Hold on. In forward for the live. And tell the people them say yes. They fuck Amari.
Yes.
See?
Yes.
Amari, hold her neck. And Amari choke herself and pretend see a Lava choke her.
Yes.
And Lava was like, yes, Amari. Yes, Amari. Right? Rika company live now. Concuss Amari. Say Amari have die syndrome. I say Amari needs to come off of the blood clot general name.
Yeah.
Amari this. Amari that.
That's right.
Amari just look for her and say, watch the deportee. Hold on. She said, Amari have die syndrome.
Yo, made a hot mean one. Done.
Hold on. You hear when come over here and say, big belly Amari. Listen when you say and chat and laugh, you know. If people them not listen, you know, they just a laugh. He said, big belly Amari with a stripe them. No, no gut. Oh, you know, Amari belly big and blood class
I
stripe.
stripe like zebra. And you tell me that she have zebra skin before she even show you.
What are you? Oh, you come across the woman and they say the woman stripey and her belly big. Well, on the pretty down. You come like a blood clot, pick sense out of nonsense.
Hey, I chew, you know. You see you boy lava, you're a liar, you know, and wicked. And that's why when he buckler start clot him, so you know, in lock off Amari, I'm going to do something with spice. And I try to take off his steam off his name. Things so when I say that, you do. Alright? You see the boy says she him fuck. What time mama fuck lava? She says she fuck lava for your feature with spice, you know. Because you spice, no. If she, one time, him tell her to link me the other day, you know, dog, and say, yo, don't ask me for no promotion, ask World Dog and Pretty Dan. She jumping on me inbox, boy. Oh, she fuck Lava because Lava says she gonna give him collab with Spice and Cartel. And then she don't get no collab with them. And that means that she fuck him. Mama said the whole
And that she
life.
tell me too. She tell me that Lava promise her collab with Cartel.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
what Lava walk and tell people, you got them say them are gonna get collab.
Yeah, fi fuck them. He must fuck them off a Cartel vocals. Because he must say, as teacher do song with you, them a come fuck Lava. Hey, me never want to talk it on live, but me do it because I beat you bad last night.
But I can't call with Tyler to ask people for live and make people call with Tyler.
Me have seen to tell you.
Me have seen to tell you to go on first.
You don't know, say, Lava for Kirby right out. Kirby and Lava. That a major ex-girl. Look here. Come here, no, man. Girl, dog. You see, when time I reason with you, that's why me can't talk to you loud, because you see, you know, you're not going to hold down this.
Brother, hear me and say, me have word, me can't stay one place. Talk to me now, me I hear you.
Me say, the boy, they with Kirby right out. Kirby, major ex-girlfriend, the one with it have the 9-inch in her chest. Me I tell you, brother, yo, here I went now, and this morning me and him a reason, you know. And him a say, yo, him have a new thing on the line. And me I say, we have on the line. And him a say, yo, he did all other on the live. He say, from what the woman watch all I show them, that the woman him a go by now, Kirby.
Major still a fuck that, you can't tell
No, not that. Major top get the pussy long time, man.
You're mad, man.
I chat and laugh for fuck it right now.
You're mad, man. Lava can't see the jaws, man. If
Man,
Lava see the...
Lava tell me, say, that not give me.
Brother, if Lava see the jaws there, my top teeth is 6 months.
Me I tell you, say, Lava, see that the jaws are plenty.
You never see jaws.
You see? All right. What make you think he might get so much Orlando bookings? Up the Kirby there. Kirby. And him a link up regular bad man. Swear.
You know what the collab with Major Hype one day.
Me? We my ling?
No, me just want to collab with him one day, so that's why I'm not really chat him Tory.
Oh, but well I know you're gonna get a collab with him, you know, so them man the IG man. But him now hold up blood clot Kirby in his chest again. You know, leg on Kirby long time, Kirby hurt him, you know, brother. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. And like she can't go apologize to him, my youth. Him on hurt in a yasso. Him done. So here what chat and laugh see it. Remember, you know, she coming like one cricket ball, you know.
Lava now get no pussy, you could have chat iron. Lava now get no pussy.
Yeah, I hear that. Lava say him not rush nothing. Lava now say, right now, Kirby know who our man, you know. Hey, all right, look here. Just come right here, sir. Bring back your ears. Let me tell you something quick. Come here now. Watch your bumbo clad cow now, man. Where him up on the fence? Where? Come on for the fence, boy. Yo, come here. Here, Kirby. You know, say Lava Kirby type. You know, say Lava Kirby type because you know Kirby like a big man them where a boopsy. You don't know how she did have Major. She tell us a Major was a payola. Remember, so she say merch them a sell. He merch they not turning on my youth. When time them my money I sell merch, I be bugs and bugs them money I got post office with in a merch. Hot in a daddy. So when you think some woman job that they catch you, we no love have money in and clothes and woman are we don't take with that. Hello?
Yo. You could have tried Iron Lava and I see the jazz. The Lava and the lyrics again.
First of all, you
shy.
know how Kirby stay.
In shy. I don't know how Kirby stay. I see Kirby from Porn Star. I could watch a blood clot video because I never hear Kirby about enough. When me I watch girl porn video and about my face, I like when girl about enough. At the same time when I type in Ivan never there make no nice. Ivan just a skin out and they go like an idiot.
No, when
me
watch Ivan lesbian porn, that never turned me on at all.
No, it never turned me on because too much nice and she a go like idiot. Who want to lay down on the bed and play.
Never did that go on. Yeah, never
did that go on with that.
The girl where did that fuck her favor mackerel too much and that not look cute. You feel me?
Yeah, that never look cute. So me never really dig that.
I want to Ivan the video that me can say me enjoy the one that she skin out the whole like pussy because mama pussy fat, you know.
Who said that?
One time I did see it.
She sent it to you?
Somebody else sent it to me. What does she do when I sight them? And she that use the pussy that finger.
Boy, I'm out of pussy. Lava beg Ivan in a thing. Could I send her 2 bills to be a girl?
Hey, but the boy Lava say, one time in beg Ivan the pussy and she said no. He never bother to strengthen me.
Ivan, this simple life say, boy, you beg me pussy. Come off of my page.
But remember, you know, hey, at least we know so we friend a beg pussy.
Pretty Dan, come and ask you something. So you go up on the road right now, see? And you fall back on the block and say, Camille in the house with a man. What you do? Don't lie to me.
Me the box down Camille and go back to jail. Beat up everything in and mash up in there.
Let me ask you a question again. Can you come like you just shocked when me just ask you a question like you never prepare with none of this at any given time?
I never prepare for that, brother, yo, my hunger reaction to that is, brother.
Yeah, me I say.
Where that even come from? Oh, you hear Camila say something?
No, me not hear Camila say nothing. Listen what me I say.
Brother, when you make me choke it, when you make me kill it, people.
That me know why you're going that house and you have no problem, I know.
She not even there, I know what that me I try to show you. She not even there. So, you gonna say all that to me right now? It make me a pretty different, you.
No, me not say pretty different. Listen what me I say before you get upset. And do what you have to do. Listen what me say. And listen what me say good. Me never say outer road. They say in a house. You are pre-outer road now. Or you reach outer road.
No, but...
Listen what me I say to you.
Yeah.
If you reach, if say your woman you go up on the road now, you outer road, and say you come link me. Yeah. I made you over here be feel like 2 hours, you say here you're ready to go, but you drive out.
Yeah.
And you reach back in the house now. And you reach Can you know say a sucker meal sound? Can you know your woman sound? What you da do?
Here me a wicked man and the whole world know that. You see him? You see him what in there? Me, yo, bad man, yo, Era, Doss. Let me tell you something. You see me not prove myself, you know. Me not have nothing to prove to no boy. Me not have nothing to prove. I feel her pussy, you know. If she a fuck out her pussy, I feel her one, you know. Me not say Ray. But me, I pay a blood clot bills, boy. You know go, me just buy the Manchester. You see the Manchester? Me just buy the pillar top, the bad man. You can't fucking know it for me. Pussy me. I go back a blood clot jail. Me I tell me will pop me one a bumbo clot suitcase and me murder 2 of them in that bumbo clot, daddy. Papa me have one blood clot chopper in the house. They see youth and me you see oxtail bone them in a youth. Everybody would have to feel me bumbo clot rat in a youth. Me not ask in a youth. I want you for money me invest. You say in a youth. You can't tell me nothing. Anything whether they can fly out, anything where you want, you can't. Brother, me come in and see that, and nobody can tell me something. Me have all right for murder him, yo. Me have all right for murder him. If you tell me something, have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing. Me have all right for murder him, you're a fucking idiot. Me not say nothing.
Me not say no. No, it sound like you cry, so youth.
Who a ball? Me not ball over girl.
I cry, man, I cry, no youth.
Pussy man.
Man, I cry for the bumbuckler live, youth.
When the man vex. Me never cry, me vex. Brother, you idiot. After man I invest so much in blood clot money and time, and I feed girl with spoon and a cool food, brother. And I rub girl belly when girl belly at them. And yeah, idiot. And what if me I do yes, brother? As mosquito bite come here, me murder him. Me finally nest and kill the rest. Not even a mosquito can bite my wife, bad man. If you think of him, pussy take you up gateway. If you think of him, me and that the girl broke, me and him take blood clot hot. You see this by my finger? A hot him take to give me pussy alone. Me alone him a give pussy. Him put me will murder this year. Look on this. This is a hot. Me take hot with him. You and me alone if you give pussy. Me. Don't ever do that. You're mad. If you coming over, first of all, brother, you know how I stay about coming on me yard. No boy can go to blood clot yard.
Yo.
No boy can come on me yard first. Come here, general. Round here. No boy can come on my blood clot yard. Come do.
Yo.
Here I say you want to see me go to jail, man. I say you want to see me go to pussy clot prison. You want to come look for me down at prison?
No. Yo, what go on? What go on? Don't come off for your life, you know. I add back your life, because I not see comment them. You stay. Now come off for your life.